The second part of this for our banana cake recipe is to figure out what the constant of proportionality is for each situation and to describe what it means for each of them. So we need to figure out how we get from 1/2 to 3/4, 2.5 to 3 3/4, and 3 to 4.5. So because 3/4 is larger than 1/2, we know that our scale factor or constant of proportionality is going to be bigger than 1. So the question is, how many 3/4 fit into 1/2? So that's 3/4 divided by 1/2. And then when you're dividing with fractions, you turn it into a multiplication problem, take the reciprocal of that second one. You'll notice we can simplify diagonally by dividing both of those numbers by 2, and then multiply horizontally, so we get 3/2. So for our first situation, our constant of proportionality is 3/2, and that means that for every cup of sugar, you need 1 1/2, or 3/2 cup of flour. And if we look at our equation here, our constant of proportionality is 7/4, and same thing there. For every cup of sugar, you're going to need 1 3/4, or 7/4 cup of flour in the second scenario. So it actually uses more flour than the first recipe.